大家好 and here is my signature wave. 你们今天好吗？我很好，希望你们都也很好。I said, hello everyone, how are you all doing today? I am fine, and I hope you all are also fine. 我们今天会学汉语数字，汉语数字是 Chinese numerals. 我们会学从1到10。I said today we are going to be learning Chinese numbers, and that we are going to be learning from 1 to 10. I don't want us to learn too much at a time. You know, in Chinese, you need to know numbers to be able to say day of the week, to be able to say month. You know, it's not like in English where you have January, February, March. In Chinese, you will say 1 month, 2 months. 1 month is January, 2 months is February, 3 months is March. Like that till you get to 12 months. So that is how they say the month in Chinese. They go week 1. Week 1 is Monday, not day 1. Week 1. Week 2 is Tuesday. Week 3 is Wednesday. Week 4 is Thursday. So you need to know numbers to be able to say week 1, right? That is why we are starting with numbers before going into other things, the complexities. I actually prefer how the Chinese say days of the week and the months in the year. You don't have to start memorizing many words. Just know 1, 2, 3 and know that word for month and the word for week, and you are good to go. 1 to 10 in Chinese is 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. And the song that I want to teach you with it is 1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、7、8、9、10. Finish. If I am to say it in English, I will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's it. Let me do it again in Chinese before we go to the board. 1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、7、8、9、10。1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、7、8、9、10。1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、7、8、9、10。现在我们看黑板。现在我们看黑板。I said now let us look at the board. 现在 is now. 我们看黑板 is let us look at the board. Here is our board. Chinese numerals. In Chinese, you say 汉语数字, and you can see 1 to 10 written down here. I wrote this in just English and Pinyin because I wanted us to write the characters together. I didn't start learning characters from level 1, but I insist you start learning it now. So, 汉语数字. This is how to write 汉语. 汉语 is Chinese. Chinese is 汉语. This is how to write it. Like this. Then U is like this. 汉语数字 is written, 数 is written like this. Okay, yeah, this is 数. 数 Z is written like this. Yeah. 汉语数字. 汉语数字 meaning Chinese numerals. Now we are going to write the characters for 1 to 10 together, and you will see how really easy these characters are. I'm using a different pen, so that you do not get them confused with these hyphens I put here because they look similar. See how you write 1 in Chinese character. And that's it. Just that hyphen is 1. Now let's go to number 2. When you're writing number 2, the one on top should just be shorter than the one under. And this is 2. How do you write 3? 3 is like this. Like this. The 2 on top should be equal and then the one down should be longer. I am sure you're thinking that 4 is going to be 4 lines. I also thought so. In fact, I wished so because I wanted it to be so easy to write. But no, no such luck. But it's not difficult. When you get to the number 4, I'm trying to hold my phone in place. You do like this, go like this, do like this, and then close it. This is 4. And we come to number 5. 5 is written like this, like this, like this, and then like this. This is 5. Now we go to 6. 6 is written like this, like this, like this, like this, and this. How do you write 7? This mark, and then this thing that looks like T. This is 7. You see, it looks like T. Do you see how very simple these characters are? Now let's write 8. 8, you go like this, and then this one on top of it. And 9 is like this, and like this. Then how do you write 10? I think apart from the number 1, 10 is the next simplest to write. See how you write 10. For English people, it is the plus sign. This is 10. This is 1 to 10. Do you see how very simple this looks? So simple. So simple. So let us sing our song again. I've sang it for you, but I want us to sing it together. Now, this is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 7 8 9 10. Can you see it? Let me hold it like this while singing. So the song is 1 2 3 4 and you go back again. 1 2 3 4 and you go 5 6 7 8 and then go back to T and say 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 7 8 9 10. Do you now see the reason I taught you tones before teaching you any other thing? How would you have known that number 1 is to be called E because of the flat tone? How would you have known that you have to go R for number 2? That is the work of the tones. That is the work of the tones we did. And then for the alphabets will help you pronounce these numbers. For instance, number 7, how to say 7 is Chi. The same thing you say when you are saying Q, when you are reading the Chinese alphabet. A lot of you had issues with that letter Q. Now you see you are meeting it here. If you know how to say the letter Q in Chinese, that is the same way to say number 7. Chi, chi. Write this for me in your notes. And that is going to be our Zhōngwén. Yeah, I will write it here. I want us to always write it. Always write it. Always, always, always. Please do not mind my own writing. I'm holding phone while writing it. Zhōngwén. 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 Assignments. Assignments. Okay, there will be another 2 actually. Apart from you writing these numbers the way you have them here, I want you to say them like without doing it as a song, and then do another audio singing them, and I will now post an audio on the group for you to listen to and say what you heard. I think that is 4 altogether. I can't resist the temptation to give you 2, but a lot of you actually like it. I am happy when some of you tell me, please give me more to practice with. It makes me really happy. And also, some of you went ahead to learn 1 to 10 on your own. I was really impressed. Some of you were sending me audios and saying it. That is how you know a good student. You do not wait for your teacher. There is no teacher that will teach you everything. Your teacher will teach you some and you go and learn some on your own. So, bravo, guys. And what do we now say? 下课. Remember, 上课 is class begins. 下课 is end of class. All right. 再见.